Yeah, ooh. Next one. Okay. For the next 15 years, ako walang gagawin niya. Di ba na ako ulitin? Alright, next one. Oh, Managan! Managan! But seriously though, mag-download kayo ng PUBG para makalaro ko kayo. Okay? Alright? Pero, ayun nga, it's sad to say, the show is about to end. It's always a great first concert. You know, I just want the best para sa concert ko kasi ito yung first night, diba? Gusto ko ibigay yung best show for you guys as much as I can. Although, hindi siya ganun kadali, but still, I hope nagustuhan niyo ngayon yung performance ko ngayon. Everything na nakikita ko dito, I hope nagustuhan niyo at nag-enjoy yung lahat. And because of that, ang dami kong gusto pasalamatan, especially you guys. And pero ay gusto lang sabihin, I hope that you guys continue to support Seven Sins. Of course, ako rin yung physical copy ng Seven Sins. Are you guys excited? Ang harap ulit ako. So, alam niyo yung title ng last song sa album? No? The song's album is called Tokyo.